Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NTS Guru. Today is the lecture 3 of past paper MCQs from the quantitative portion. Topic is fractions and decimal. Question number 1 is, if 5 by x, 8 by x and 13 by x are in the lowest terms, then how many integers x between 30 and 40? So the number sequence is given from 30 to 40. And these are in the lowest terms. How we can replace x by these of the numbers? How many numbers are there? See, if these terms are divided by even numbers from 30 to 40, 8 is even number, so that will be cancelled by 2. So this will be not in the lowest term. So we will neglect even numbers from 30 to 40. The remaining numbers will be odd numbers, that will be 31, 33, 35, 37 and 39. If you see this 5, if 5 divided by 35, there will be cancellation, so this will not be in the lowest term, so we will neglect 35. If this 13 is divided by 39, so there will be also cancellation, so we will neglect these two numbers. So only numbers which are left, which can be replaced by, we can replace at this place x, they are 31, 33 and 37. So correct option is option D1, which is there are 3 numbers. Next question is 6 by 6 into 6 by 12, 6 by 24 into 6 by 30 equals, just cancel these terms. 6 5 the 30, the remaining are 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So whenever 5 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 and 20 multiplied by 5 into 4 is 20, 20 into 2 is 40. So result is 1 by 40 and there is no term which is 1 by 40. So answer D is the correct option, which is none. Next question is, if 4 by 13 of a number is 39, what is 8 by 13? If 4 by 13 of a number is 8 by 13, if 4 by 13 of a number is 39, what will be 8 by 13? How to obtain 8 by 13 from 4 by 13? Just multiply this with 2. If I am multiplying left side with 2, automatically I will multiply right side with 2. So this will be, left side will be 8 by 13 and right side will be 39 multiplied by 2. This will be 78. So the correct option is option B, which is 78. Next question is, there are 20 boys in a class. 5 of them are left-handed. Find the fraction of left-handed. So total number are 20, and if 5 are left-handed, it's mean 5 by 20 is the fraction of boys which are left-handed. So 5 by 20 is 1 by 4. So option C is correct one. Next question is, a chemical solution contains 8% of acid. If there is 15 ml of acid, find volume of the solution. For 15 ml of acid we have to find, but initially out of 100, 8% is acid. So just cancel out these terms. And by simplifying this will be 187.5 ml. So option B is the correct option. Question number 6 is, what fractional part of a week is 98 hours? So in week, first find number of hours in week. In week there are 7 days, and in one day there are 24 hours. So 7 into 24 is 168. So total number of hours in a week are 168, and we have to find the fraction of 98 hours. So just divide 98 by 168. This will be 7 by 12. So 98 hours are 7 by 12. So part B is the correct one. Next question is, a village has 5860 voters, of whom 7% usually forget to vote. In order to win an election, a candidate must gain at least 50% of the remaining voters. How many votes does he needed in order to win? In this question, first of all, we have to find 7% of the voters which forget to vote. Then subtract that 7% from total amount, then we will get which remaining candidates which haven't voted for the candidate. So in order to win the election, how many votes does he needed? Then after calculating these two options, these two of which whom doesn't and whom does votes, so we can find the new term. First find 7% of any number. As I discussed in the percentage calculations lectures, how to find percentages, 1%, 2%, 3%, up to 100 and 120% of any number. Just multiply 7 into 1% of that number. What is 1% of that number? 1% of that number, just put point 2 digits from right. So the number is 5860. So place point 2 digits from right. This will be 58.6. So multiplying this, we will get 410. So 410 are those who doesn't vote. So remaining 5860 minus 410 is 5450. So for 50%, so the number of votes he needed to win is 2725. So the correct option is option A. Question number 8 is, what fraction is exactly midway between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4? Midway between means between these two. So just add these and find half. That will be the result, which will be midway. So by taking LCM 4 and 3, LCM is 12. This will be 4 plus 3 is 7. This is 7 by 24. So the midway between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 is exactly 7 by 24. Answer B is the correct option. So next question is, 4 by 9 of a number is 12. What is the number? So 4 by 9 of a number x is 12. What is the number? You have to find x. So just 9 multiply by 12 and divide with 4. (27) is the number which is x. So option A is the correct option. Next question is, Ali purchased some goldfish during the first week, 1 by 5 and 3 by 8 of second week of them died. So in the first week 1 by 5 died, and the next week 3 by 8 died. What is the fraction of the original goldfish still alive after 2 weeks? So first of all, we have to find 1 by 5 of the original value, and then 3 by 8 of the second week fishes, then add both of, then subtract from the original that value, and then find the remaining fraction. So let's do. If original fishes which are present are labeled as x, then after first week died 1 by 5x, and that will be, remaining will be x minus 1 by 5 x, which is equal to 4 by 5x. So after first weeks, remaining are 4 by 5x, As 3 by 8 died in the second week, just multiply 4 by 5x with 3 by 8. This results in 3 by 10x. Remaining fishes are 3 by 10x after 2 weeks. These are the values for the second week. At the end of second week, remaining will be 1 by 2x. So original are x and the remaining after 2 weeks are 1 by 2x. So 1 by 2x divided by x is 1 by 2. So the option is the correct one. First I find after 1 week fishes, then I find second week fishes and then multiply both of them and then subtract them and then divide with the original value. Question number 11 is 3 by 8 of a number is 10. What is the number? 3 by 8 of, let's suppose x is 10. Find x, which is the number. 10 into 8, 80 by 3, which is approximately 26.67. So the number is approximately 26.67 is 27. So option D is the correct one. Next is 5 by 8 of 24 is equal to 15 by 7. 5 by 8 of 24 equal to 15 by 7 of what number? Which is, let's suppose, x. So x equal to, just cancel out. This will be so we can simplify here. 8 1 the 8 and 8 3 the 24, 5 3 the 15, and here is also 15. This will be cancelled out, so just term remaining, which is 7. So x will be 7. Option D is the correct one. Next question is, a German class has 12 boys and 18 girls. What is the fraction of the class boys? You have to find the fraction of boys. So first add girls and boys. Total fraction is 0, 1, 3 carry and 30. So total number of boys and girls, the strength of the class is 30. Fraction of boys is 12 by 30. Out of 30, 12 are boys. So 4 by 15 is the correct answer. This is the fraction of boys. Like and share my video and subscribe my channel.